Another load complete. Time to close it up and get it down the road. So, we just drove the 200 miles to our place to rest. Petey's here on the bed. Annabelle's here. They're all excited. Always when we start off the week, when we get to the truck, we throw a bunch of crap in the back of the truck, and Annabelle's got to check everything out, make sure there's no treats hidden anywhere. But I've always got a mess in the back of the truck. So now we're gonna clean up the mess and make some lunch. And yeah, we're still celebrating Christmas. I guess I gotta get rid of this thing. Nah, we'll keep it up. It's always Christmas time in the Peterbilt. So let's get everything cleaned up. Hi, Annabelle. At this rest area, I can't help it. I always grab some donuts from the 7-Eleven because they have got the best chocolate cream sticks donuts on the planet, and they're
pretty much at all the stops on the turnpike on I-80, except the ones that have Dunkin'. They have these, which are way better than Dunkin', even though it's Ohio State. First delivery's complete. Now we're off to Gaff Roofing in Michigan City, Indiana, to pick up shingles to take to Youngstown. I couldn't film anything because it is a raining mess, but let's go.
And there it is. Another successful load put on. We're heading up to Michigan to get rid of it. Who knows what we'll bring back? Hopefully something exciting, but all I've hauled this week is roofing so far. But as you can notice, 2 straps in the front, 1 strap all the way back. Everything's protected. Let's go.
they have Mackinac Island Fudge Company fudge in their machine, so I had to buy some.
Well, load's coming off, and this place is awesome. I wish I could show you what it's going to take for me to get out of here and make that turn, because it's fine for their straight trucks, but not for a semi. Sorry about the sun, there's nothing to do about it. But they got crap everywhere. It's not big truck friendly. It's a mess. There's crap everywhere. It's so tight in here, it is stupid. I don't know how I'm getting out of here. But we'll get out of here. This is insane. So we've been sitting here for 2 hours. More than 2 hours. Come on, get back, Annabelle. They can't see you if you're up in the camera, Annabelle. For 2 hours. Still up in the grid. We don't do well sitting around, do we, Annabelle? We've been sitting here 2 hours waiting for a load. And I don't think we're going to get one. I'm pretty sure we're ended up dead heading back. Which is what it is. We're just 2.5 hours away. So it's not that big a deal, but maybe we'll go home today. Maybe not. We'll find out.